Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clement Fibo. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are very welcome. Feel free to like and share, feel comfortable, feel at home, but please don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Guys, today I'm super excited. My sister is at the back. I'm super excited guys because I'm doing a makeup video, and I'm not a makeup artist as you guys know, but I just like improving myself because I just like to to practice more so I can so that I can be perfect. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows, they call it eyebrows already. It's not that perfect, but it's okay because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this video for fun and for you guys, just to while away time. Okay, so that is it. I'll keep on apologizing for not being around for so long. As you can see, there is a little bit of stress in my body. As you can see, this is my bone. All of them are coming out because I've been through a little bit of stress of recent, so I was not able to be consistent on my channel and on my videos. I'm so sorry guys, I disappointed you guys, and that was it, but I'm trying to be back now. Okay, so by the special grace of God, I'm doing a video guys, and guess what, I'm trying on new brushes I bought from AliExpress. 680 pairs of brushes, of makeup brushes. They just bought this for me. I have not tried it. As you can see, it stay in the pack, in the nylon they packed it. And I'm going to try new palette as well. This palette is not from AliExpress. This is Revolution Makeup London. This is makeup palette or makeup, I don't know, from OVS. I bought it €6, and I'm super excited. And I'm trying some brushes, new brushes. This is Yes Love Eye Pencil, lips eyeliner and lips liner pencil. Okay, and this is, I bought two from this, but I don't know, my baby have turned everywhere. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking for it now, but I was having everything here, but my baby just do her work, miracle worker. So let me start with these ones guys. I'm super excited because I've been looking for this palette. I saw it online and it was very expensive, and seeing it on OVS at a low cost, like I said, I can't afford to miss this, so I bought it. As you all know, I've been using this before. I've got this for the past 4 years or 3.5 years. No, it's 4 years. And this is how it is. Okay, this is a set of makeup. Okay, it's just like this. Everything is in it. These are for the lips and the blush, the eyeliner. So I say I like highlighter or powder, I don't know. It's like this though. Okay, and it was a Christmas gift from my auntie. Okay. So guys, in this video for my foundation, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. It's my baby that is playing with her baby with the toy. In this video guys, I'll be using 2 foundation at the same time. This is almost finished. Is a foundation is dark, and this is another foundation is light. So I'm going to add the But I don't actually like this tappy stuff because it's not my tea. This tappy last it will not blend together. So I don't know why it does not work out for me. Baby girl, leave there now. So I'm just keeping on doing that. Okay, normally I just do it like this and do it sharp and leave there instead of stressing yourself over nothing. So I just want to do this first with this, and after I'm going to be using the brushes for the remaining stuff. Okay. I don't know why I always call everything stuff. I don't know. Please don't laugh at me. I'm not perfect. I'm just learning. Okay, I'm just learning. Please don't laugh because I have YouTube friends that are makeup artists, and Flor J is a makeup artist. She do bake cake, she do makeup, she do design as well. Okay, then that is Flor J for you. And another person that do makeup is Sister Bianca. She said I should not call her mommy, She said she's young. Okay, so she's my sweet sister, Bianca Belesa guest. If you have not seen her, she's so funny, she's so full of life, she's so sweet and amazing. Okay, just go and check her out. I will also drop her in this place. So they are makeup artists. She's very good in makeup. Like seriously, anytime I see her makeup, like God, I want to do this makeup. I want to really learn. So I'm done with the foundation. God, it does not even look like I have foundation in my face, but I like it like this. I don't want something that I make sure. But I don't actually like this tappy stuff because it's not my tea. This tappy last it will not blend together. So I don't know why it does not work out for me. Baby girl, leave there now. So I'm just keeping on doing that. Okay, normally I just do it like this and do it sharp and leave there instead of stressing yourself over nothing. So I just want to do this first with this, and after I'm going to be using the brushes for the remaining stuff. Okay. I don't know why I always call everything stuff. I don't know. Please don't laugh at me. I'm not perfect. I'm just learning. Okay, I'm just learning. Please don't laugh because I have YouTube friends that are makeup artists, and Flor J is a makeup artist. She do bake cake, she do makeup, she do design as well. Okay, then that is Flor J for you. And another person that do makeup is Sister Bianca. She said I should not call her mommy, She said she's young. Okay, so she's my sweet sister, Bianca Belesa guest. If you have not seen her, she's so funny, she's so full of life, she's so sweet and amazing. Okay, just go and check her out. I will also drop her in this place. So their makeup artist. She's very good in makeup. Like seriously, anytime I see her makeup, like God, I want to do this makeup. I want to really learn. So I'm done with the foundation. Ah God, it does not even look like I have foundation in my face, but I like it like this. I don't want something that is too much. So I have this one is already cleaned up. It's just like this one as well. What do they call it? Salobua. I mean Salobua. He says liquid makeup. I don't know. I don't know the name. So I'm going to be adding this to the down. But if you know the name of this makeup, please tell me. Okay. Do you know why I love this one so much? Because even if it's little, it's just like, it's just so perfect because it's fitting and also make the makeup look so like, even if you are sweaty, like it does not clean off. It does not clean off at all. It's just so perfect. So I'm going to also do the same thing with this. Minutes I'm going to add make this more easier for myself, for my humble self, because I can't keep myself because c'est concealer. Someone just said that they will finish. So I don't know. Because it's too bright, I'm going to add little bits of concealer. But this concealer safe, you know, day body. Okay, let me start trying these brushes because I don't know. I really bought them for a reason, but let's try it out. I'm going to try this one. Excuse me, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead with this brush and just I still need to learn how to use brushes. Salobua. Makeup artist, you are trying so much. Seriously, because you guys, you tried a lot, but I try over excess. The brush is just so soft, like seriously, it's very soft, and I've not for ages and for long I've not used brush that is soft. I have some other brush that are not this, they are not this soft. They are just strong, be like iron sponge. And people now ask me where they go. I don't really know why I'm doing this makeup, because the truth of the matter is that I'm not going anywhere, but I just feel like doing this. Baby girl, don't do that. Give me, let me see. Bring it. So Okay, I think everything is coming to normal. It's supposed to be, because I don't like sharp makeup. At all, I don't like it sharp for any reason. I don't like sharp makeup for any reason. Just have to look on my baby. Read about you. Tara pam pam pam. Tara pam pam pam. Okay, guys. God. I think it's much better like this. I don't know, but I left this upper part because I'm going to work on it later. So down to my eyeshadow palette. I just love this. I don't know. And another thing I don't know how to do is to combine colors, but I'm trying to learn. Okay, I'm not perfect. I'm trying to learn. So my eye is just in this gold, like it's just in this gold. But first I'm going to go ahead with this color, this one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and see how it's going to be. Even to be doing. Hey Mary. There go. Don't laugh. I don't know. Just trying to learn something new. If I don't do this all the time, I can't be perfect. I can't be perfect, and I will not even learn it safe because I'm not practicing it. Okay, I'm going to use this other brush. Mama, cosa stai facendo? Che fai? I'm using this brush because I'm just trying all the brushes. I don't have a particular one, so anyone I'm good with that goes with me, or that I feel okay with, will be the one I will use. So I'm just trying all of them. I think it's okay. You are not yet a professional, so you is okay. Don't go and do much. Okay, so I'm not wasting my time. I'm going to go ahead with this gold. Child, the gold is in my eye. But before I go ahead with that gold, I'm going to go ahead with this one. Yeah, because I don't know how to show the color self. So this one here. Before I go ahead with this gold here. Okay, wow, it's coming out to be beautiful. Hey, I'll become a makeup artist, Aluba. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. So I'm going to just do this one. So guys, I'm done with this one. I'm just going to go with this one because there's a little bit of shine that I love so much. Just going to, it can be shiny on its own. Okay. Can you see that? So I'm going to do the same to the other side. So I'm going ahead with the red one again. Okay, it's not just red like that, it's white color. Going with it again just to the upper part. Okay, so that's, I'm going to go ahead with the eyeliner as well. So guys, this is one thing I don't know how to do, is drawing the eyeline. Is it eyeliner? I don't know how to draw it, and in most of my makeup I don't do it because I don't know how to do it, but now I want to try to do it. Okay, so just keep watching, guys. So I'm done drawing it. It's still yet. So guys, this is how the eyeliner turned out to be. So that I was not able to show you guys very well, though it's not perfect. This is my first time drawing it. I've never drawn it in my entire life. Like, I'm just going to make this one a bit, you know, a bit beautiful. I'm not sabi that water. Let me not go and blind my eye. I have it, but I don't know how to do it. So in order for me not to blind my eye by myself, I do what I know. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean. Where is it safe? Where is it? Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and clean this place, you know, make it a bit sure. You know what, clean. Okay, as you can see, I think it's better like this. Okay. Okay, it's better, so I'm going to use this white one. So let's go ahead with the lashes. Oh God, I'm not using new lashes. I'm using the one I used last week, and because I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just using the one I used last week. Baby, can you just turn everything upside down for me? Why? What is this, guys? So guys, I'm done adding the lashes. Oh baby girl, stop now. I just miss you on my brushes, everything. Sorry guys. Yeah, go and play. I'm done with the lashes and all, as you can see. Okay, it's not easy to fix, so I'm going to go ahead with my pencil. And normally I don't do lipstick because I have a dry lips and easily it start to pull, so I like to add wet lips to my lips. Yeah, so but this video I'm going to be adding a lipstick. So because I really want to start changing things, the way I used to do before. Oh yeah, give me. So I saw Bianca Velesa guys doing it like this. So me myself, I'm going to be doing mine like that as well. Okay, to be adding this purple lipstick, as you can see. I will be adding the purple lipstick. I don't like too much lipstick. So much guys, Flor J Creativity, Sister Bianca Velesa guest, Thank you so much, guys. If not be on this makeup, I'm not gonna learn. So I don't really know how I look. Okay, but oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Thank you so much, guys. But first, I don't even know myself again. Jehovah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the end of the video.